Double bangers! I can't believe it, Digger!
Go, the trippy.
They're new. You little beauty.
I reckon there's a coin ball here. Look at that. You got it? See there?
It's a big edge. Yes!
Well, it's on fire.
Well, folks, if you see the vista moving past you, it can only mean one thing. Digga and Slim are on the road again. It's not as early as yesterday's trip, but it's close enough. We're heading off to Spot X, new Spot X actually. So hang on, we're just going to take this corner. Around with this corner. Whoa, it's a bit bumpy. Yeah, the blocks of southwest New South Wales.
The Riverina, isn't
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful, this country, folks.
it? Mine in the shed.
Yeah. So you can see the convolutions in the land here. It's absolutely beautiful, folks. Great time of year. It's a bit warm. It's about 25 degrees. It's just tad after, say, 7 o'clock in the morning.
It's 10 to 8.
Is it?
Yep.
I slept in.
Oh.
All right, so we'll get you close enough to Spot X, and we'll go from there. There you go, folks. Chow down time. Looking forward to a big day, Digger?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to a day anyway.
All right, we'll get you out there soon.
It's going to be warm though.
Oh, by the way, folks. Winners are grinners.
Yeah.
There you go, folks. We've reached this episode Spot X. Oh, look at this. We're looking down the barrel of the straightaway of an old racecourse. The horizon's looking to the east of us there a little wet. We're hoping we might get some rain because it's going to be frightfully hot again today. Now, just before we start, just to let all the viewers out there know, it's always a good idea to seek permission when you come onto one of these grounds, especially when you see cattle, because the owners sometimes who have leased the place out may take a little bit of umbrage to it. So there's a tip from Slim. Make sure you get permission before you go out and start digging holes in paddocks. Good old mate Digger here this morning.
Morning, mates.
You're looking very Lottie, Lawrence of Arabia with that French Foreign Legion look.
Yeah. Oh, I got a bit fried yesterday, so
Right, okay.
it was so hot with all the. It was so bare that it was just reflecting off the ground, so got burnt from underneath, which we don't normally do.
Right, okay, so it's a bit warm out here, folks. So, on to today's challenge. New ground.
New ground. Yeah, might as well just go for a gratuitous most coins.
Most coins, and that's pre-decimal.
Yeah.
Pre-decimal.
Always pre-decimal.
Yep, always pre-decimal. So, folks, there's the challenge. We're going to head down that straightaway, and over a little bit further is an old cricket pitch, which we might be able to give you a little bit of a key test and see how the spinners might have a crack at it. But other than that, we'll see you on the first hole. So, mate, just a little bit of history about this town. What can you tell me about it?
Oh no, it's been around for a while.
Yeah.
There was a bit of it's bushranger country.
Right.
Some bushrangers came through here.
Okay.
There's a big fight around here somewhere.
All right.
You know, visits from Ben Hall and Captain Moonlight and a few others.
Okay. So we know the post office was started up in about 1913. So, but before then, we're not quite sure. And anyway, but plenty of ground here. There's no doubt about it. This might deserve another going over, I reckon. I reckon there's got to be at least 50 acres or more here. yeah, anyway, we'll keep going. Right, folks, we had ourselves a 62, 63 signal. Very shallow. Have a look down here. First one of the day. Beautiful Queen Lizzie Goldie, $2. Your little ripper. Mate, I think Digger's a little bit excited. What have we got?
Well, I think it's some sort of costume jewellery or something.
Let's get in and have a look, folks. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See that, folks?
Oh, there's becoming bits all over the place.
Let's have a look. There's one bit. Put it in the hand.
Another
Two
bit.
bits.
There's more here too. 3 bits. It's a charm.
It's paste or glass or whatever.
Yeah.
What did that ring up as?
21.
Ooh, 90 jump. Oh, that's on the Knox 900.
Yeah, on the 900, so.
There's another?
Another bit there.
Okay.
I don't think it's worth anything, but.
No, but it's a bit of fun.
Where'd that go? Just there.
Alright. Looks like we're picking up shards from a broken windscreen.
Looks like it's it.
Alright, folks, that's
Something different.
certainly is. Alright. Alright, folks, we have ourselves a nice little consistent 57 in the hole here. Okay, around here somewhere. Not sure what to expect with this one. Gosh. The dirt is not quite rock hard, but here we go. Oh, I've pinched it. There you go, folks. Got a sixpence, Dig. 1958. Sixpence. There you go. That'll make it a Queen Elizabeth. Too good a signal not to dig it, folks. They're here. Okay, folks, that's where the sixpence come from. A foot, mate, 2 feet. 50, 52 signal. Centre on the non-ferrous line. Let's see if we can get this one out. Here we go. Oh, there's 2. Double bangers. I can't believe it, Digger. Digger. Got a coin spill, 2 thrippies in the one hole. Yeah, 1951. 1951, 2 in the one hole. I can't believe that, folks. You are kidding me. All right, I'll get you a couple of pics. Okay, folks, we've got this signal. Might be a couple in there, not sure. Let's get it out with the handheld and the digger. Locate it first. Over here. Here we go. Did you see that pop out, folks? It's a shilling. Bar MU! Yep. 1946. There's a coin spill here. George 6. Did you hear that, folks? Digger reckons I'm on fire. Ooh. Get your pick.
Well, Slim's on fire. He's already got 4 coins before I've even had a decent signal. Finally got a 69 to 72 here. Hoping it's not a 1 cent piece. No, it's a thrippy. Goodness me. It took some finding. Oh, so it's a 1943 thrippence. At least I'm on the board. Okie, I'll get your picture.
Right, folks. 70 to 72 coming from this slice of the hole. Come on. Yep. Here we go, folks. Here we go. What is this? Yep, your little beauty. 1943 Thrippy King George 6. I'll get you a pic.
Go to 55 signal, and I reckon there's a coin ball here. Look at that. You got it? See there? I reckon it's probably from the sign, a signal, going to be a sixpence. Yep. This is a sixpence. Nice. 1951 sixpence. There we go. Yeah, cool. Right. 2. First one wasn't a fluke. There we go. Slim's got 5 now. He reckons he's on a patch. Cool. I'll get your photo. '61, '63 signal. I reckon I got another coin down here in the hole. Just saw it pop over. There we go. What do we got? Oh, yep. It's a halfpenny. It's a halfpenny. King George is 6 of a kangaroo. Are we getting this? Are we getting this? I think we are. 1951. Still in the hunt. Still in the hunt. I'll get your picture.
Right, folks, we've got ourselves 72 signal coming from out of the hole. I can see it. There you go. Right there. Right there. Right there. It's a 1943 King George 6 little thrippy. I've given it a bit of a guess too. Alright. Get your pick. As I mentioned, folks, this ground is like concrete. I've given that a scrape around, and yeah, I think we've got something right here, this edge. Yeah, come on, don't be on 1 centre. Yep, you little beauty. It's another sixpence. 1916. Oh, this is early. George 5. We've only been getting George 6 and Elizabeth, so that's good. That's good. Alright, we'll get you a pick and clean it up. Folks, that's 1946. King George 6 there. Made a blue on that one. Bit dirty. Okay, get your pick. Got a bit of an audience, folks. How good's that out in the middle of nowhere? Folks, I think I should have brought the jackhammer. 51 signal out in the spoil. Let's get the probe. Get it out. Come on, you guys. Come and have a look.
Nailed it. Nailed it!
Have a look at this riveted lot, folks. Watching every move I do. They've given me the goss. They reckon Slim Diggins is the best metal detecting channel. No bull.
Righty folks, chased out a lovely 5960 signal coming from the plug. Could be a goldie. Hoping it's not, hoping it's silver. There it is, that's our answer. It's another goldie for $2. Queen Lizzie. Beauty.
So Tommy's over there. He's been smashing it this morning. I've been finding bottle tops and cans. I think I've finally found another coin. Another silver. Look at down there. Guessing it's a sixpence. Or a threepence. It's a threepence. Come on, focus. Yeah, a bit battered. 1944 threepence. King George VI on the back. There we go. Finally another coin. Get your pick.
Right folks, got a nice 60 signal coming from just here. Could be another goldie folks, could be another goldie. Yeah, there it is. Beauty, beauty, that's $5.
Are you ready, old mate?
Oh, I'm ready.
So, it's just after lunch. We've had ourselves a bit of chow.
Yeah,
And,
such as it was.
We're ready to go. We've give the racecourse end a bit of a going. So we're just making our way over to where that net is. We do believe that's the cricket ground. So we're going to give that a bit of a hit. If it's no good, we'll go back to the racecourse. See you on the next hole.
Folks have been waiting for this one all day. Look at that, 88 and right on the centre line. Come on, be something good. Be a flozzer, come on. Here we go folks. It's a George VI Rue penny in 1946. Come on. 1950 something or other. Anyway, they're here.
Right folks, we've got another one. 74.75 in the spoil.
Right there, here we go. And it's a mess, that's what it is. It's a George VI, and it's a halfpenny, a Rue halfpenny, 1948. Right, get your pick. Right, just need to make my way through this sea of thistles, or burr. Digger, what have you got, mate?
84.
84. Right, let's get him out.
Half here.
Okay, come on, be a big silver. Big silver or
just a
what
piece
is
of
that? Oh, some sort of brass ring.
One of those days, I'm afraid. Righto, mate, what have we got? I thought I might as well come and film yours because I've got nothing happening.
That's 85.86.
85, 86,
Yeah,
pretty shallow.
2 cents.
What is it?
2 cents. Geez, that blew up like a...
Wow. Oh well.
We've got ourselves 60s odd signal in here. Gee, this ground is so loose compared to that hard stuff. Oh, there it is. I can see it. There you go, folks. What have we got here? Another George 6 halfpenny. I got it too.
You got another one?
1948. Yeah, I was trying to... it was hard work getting it out, and I've sculled it. 48 halfpenny.
You're doing all right.
Folks, we've got this one coming from the fill. Get the banging signal. Let me tell you, getting a lot of smelted aluminium in here. Be a good. Oh, I can see an edge. Can you see it? There you go. George 6, high revving, 1951. I'll give it another little kissy, but that's okay. 1951 revving. Okay, folks, we've got a mixed bag of signals coming out of that spill. Okay, let's get in and see what we can find. There's a signal here too. Told you there's a few jumping out here. There we go. No. There's something else over here too, folks. We'll chase that. Bit of a thunderstorm you can hear rolling in the background. Yeah, see that little... Oh, yes. Yes. 1951, George 6 3P. I told you the numbers were mixed in here. Okay, we'll see what else we can find. Get your pick. Okay, folks. Not quite sure about this one. Might be in, might be out, I don't know. Hey, there it was. Missed it. Oh, you little beauty. 1944, that's me, ladies. Shout out to the Hoover boys again. We're killing this. Righto.
Starting to come up a little stormy, folks. Might get wet yet.
Righto, folks, this is the one I've been waiting for. 92 to 94 in the spoil. Come on, be good to Slim. Come on. Come on, what are you? What are you? Sneak up on it. You see anything yet, folks? Oh, I see an edge. See an edge. It's a big edge. Yes! Got a flozzer, a King George 5. 1917. Oh, yeah, 2 and 2 days. That is wicked. Righto, folks. Okay, folks, that storm is just passing over the top of us now. We've had to seek refuge in the ute as the lightning got a bit close to us. So anyway, hopefully it'll pass, dampen the dust, and we'll keep going. All right, folks, as promised, I thought I'd come over to give the pitch a go. Well, look, this is what we look for. The old cricket pitches on the rack grounds. And we enjoy coming out here because this used to be the lifeblood of these old establishments, these towns. But I've been stuck over there under that tree. Seems to me that that's where everybody went for shade back in the day. So that's where I've been. So I'm coming back over in amongst the thistles and see if I can find any more coin. Right, we'll get back to it.
Mate, it's a bit warm.
Ooh, that it is.
Especially when that sun comes out. It's not so bad when it's overcast.
It's warm.
As you can tell, she's a bit... Slim's looking a bit worse for wear in the humidity. It's very humid today. Well, this ain't going to take long. Junk, 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 junk. Oh, there's some junk there as well. A little bit of a ring. The charm we found first hole. $3. And a measly 4 pre-decimals for the day for me. 1 halfpenny, 1 sixpence, and a couple of threepences. Like I said, not going to take long today. What do you reckon?
Oh, I'll need 5 minutes, mate. All right, here we go, folks. There's the junk.
You didn't get anywhere near as much as junk as I did.
I keep telling you about the manticore. You can
Manticore's got nothing to do with it.
you can get rid of it. So there it is, folks. The crud. Boy, look at this. They're on the verge of, you know, where the George 50% silvers ring. You got to dig them. Another little bit of junk here too. These blow up deluxe. Got a couple of Ayrton centers, 1 cent pieces. One of the pre-decimals. 1, 2 pennies, 2 half pennies. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 thrippies. 1, 2, 3 sixpences. 1, 2 bar ram U's. But look at this, folks. Oh yeah, that deserves a close-up. Focus. Yeah, look at that. 1917 King George V thrippy. What do you reckon, Digger?
Yeah, I reckon that you haven't worked out that's a full house yet.
Well.
Don't you even care?
Well, mate.
They don't come along every day.
I'll let you know when I'm having that coffee. And I'll go, you know what, Digger? I think I got a full house.
Yeah.
Hey?
So how many did you end up with?
8,000?
14.
14.
Jeez, you skunked me big time.
I know, mate. I'm going to have one of them skunking cups of coffee.
I've just had... I don't know what happened today.
You know what that deserves, don't you?
Well... yeah.
Hang on a sec. Hang on a sec. There you go. I got a couple of others. A few goldies. Look at that.
Yeah.
Anyway, folks, where's that sun? Oh, there she is, right up there, and it's heading down over that hill. We're a bit early. You know what? We're going to give us this afternoon a little bit more of a run. We might pull into one of our favourite spots and have a bit of a time trial. Anyway, it's...
Hooroo.
And it's hooroo for me. We'll see you on another rep. Here we go, folks. Not too far off a lightning strike. Local brigades out here putting it out. There you go, mate. Top job. That's how bushfires start in this country. On the road again, folks. That's the only way to end an ep, folks.
I paid my debts.
Delicious. Thanks, mate.